10 फरवरी 2024 को कैथेड्रल चर्च ऑफ द रिडेम्पशन का एनुअल गार्डन फेट मनाया गया। ये कम से कम 50 सालों से दिल्ली वालों के कैलेंडर में एक उत्साह से भरा दिन रहा है। इसमें सिर्फ मौज मस्ती ही नहीं है, इसके द्वारा यीशु के सबसे बड़े आदेश का पालन भी है, दूसरों से प्रेम करना।
Historically, if you see that, the church has always reached out to those people who are on the margins, and this leprosy patients children's education fund also has started with a history like that. In the late 60s and early 70s, there was a colony of people affected with leprosy outside the borders of Delhi. Father Rajamani saw that this was a need in this area. He began thinking about a project at least to make sure that the next generation, doesn't suffer from leprosy and are also educated. So these were the two fundamental goals with which this was started.
दिल्ली के दिल में बसा हुआ ये गिरजा राष्ट्रपति भवन की छाव में है और प्रोत्साहन भी चारों ओर से आया है।
This year we were very grateful and appreciated the fact that the Lieutenant Governor himself sent his best wishes for the program and for this event in our church. So I think in some way we feel that we are not just an inclusive church, but we are a church that is outreaching to society to cover those who are underrepresented.
And also one important thing I wanted to talk, this year we are able to get the government support, especially the public service undertaken, ONGC, GAIL India and Indian Oil Corporation. And also we have Muthoot Finance Corporation. There's a lot of goodwill among the corporates.
Personally, I'm taking away here is the kind of compassion people have here for the entire cause. If you see the crowd here, everybody has joined together, and professionally we are very excited to be associated with the entire cause.
कैथेड्रल चर्च ऑफ द रिडेम्पशन के बगीचे में जो प्रेम की सुगंध है वो पूरे देश तक पहुंचे, यही प्रयास है CBN न्यूज़ का।
CBN को हम बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देते हैं और इस प्रकार के वल्नरेबल चिल्ड्रन को हम सपोर्ट कर सकें। ये बच्चे बड़े होके इस समाज के लिए बहुत बहुत आशीष का कारण ठहर सकते हैं।